Hello everyone. In this video you will know about how you can change your phone number in WhatsApp application. Yeah, you will know all this process in this video, but if you are visiting our channel first time, then please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon by clicking the all, so that you can receive every notification when we are uploading a new video on our YouTube channel. Yeah, let's begin. Here you can see, you can open all this by pressing these three dots by clicking setting. Here we can press on account. You can see the fourth one is change number. Yeah, changing your phone number will migrate your account information, groups and setting. Before proceeding, please confirm that you are able to receive SMS or calls at your new number. If you have both a new phone and a new number, first change your number on your old phone. So press the next. Yeah, in the first one we need to enter our old phone number, but in the second one we need to enter our new phone number which we are going to use. I just have only one phone number, so I want to enter the same number on both places. Okay, so by entering after entering this number, need to press next. Here you can see you are about to change your phone number from dash dash to dash dash. Yeah, notify contacts. It means you will be notified with, to your all friends that you have changed your phone number, but I don't want to notify to anyone, so only your groups will be notified about your new number. Okay, so done. When you press done, so the account is protected by two-step verification. Enter the pin you created when you set up two-step verification. Your pin is different from your SMS registration code. So let me enter my pin. It's okay. After entering my pin, so the phone number is changed. You can see this process is done. If you want to continue this process, okay, then you need to go to account and press change number. You can change your phone number by repeating this process as I told you in this video. So please, if you like this information, please like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you so very much. Bye.